This is Arturo Loesa for EE335, lab number 1, step number 5. This is the step where I combine the LCD code with the keypad code. So I'm going to show you, did a couple of changes. Probably won't be able to see that well, but I added column number 4. We used to have 3. I added A, B, C, and D. And I changed my row pins, digital pins 13, 12, 11, and 10. And for the columns, I'm using analog pins A2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm initializing my LCD screen for my pins 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm using also my LCD print and my serial print for the serial monitor. And I'm using an if statement. I'm using a charge for key, keypad, get key, and then if key, serial print a key, and LCD print cursor 0, 1, and LCD print key. So this is the setup. This is my Arduino, and this is where I have the connection for the key. These are the first connections on the digital pins 12, 11, 10, 9, and here are the analog pin connections 8, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I already ran the code and I have as a print just to make sure it works. My name is Art. So I'm going to start pressing number 1. So 1 here. And look at that digital monitor out that. So then I'm going to press number 2. That's 2 right there. So I have 2 on the screen. So I'm going to press 3. 3 in the screen as well. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. So I'm going to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, pound, and A, B, C, and D. So if I'm showing you the screen, I have the last. So star, 0, pound, A, B, C, scroll up, D. Thank you. Have a great day.